So, everyone, we are going to, well, my neighbors invited me to go to a Sea Dogs game with them. And, yeah, so we're going to be versing the Moncton Wildcats. And I hope it's a pretty good game. And, might be, it might not. We might lose, we might not. I'm hoping we don't, but yeah, so it's I've actually recorded 3 videos today. No. Yeah? I'm not really sure. 3 or 4. I'm not sure, but I know that we recorded some. We recorded more than twice today. So, I'm pretty sure I'm going on to my 5th or 4th. I'm not very sure. So, I'll just be like recording random stuff at the game, and yeah. So we'll see you guys there. Bye.